Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is D2 exercise 12A and question number 11. We are having a VPQRS pyramid with the rectangular base as well, and having a sides length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. In the first part we are required to find the height. Anything given? We are given the volume. We are given the volume which is given 180 centimeter cube. So this will be so easy to find the height with the help of the formula of volume. As volume is given, so we must go with the formula of volume, as we are having a formula of volume 1 upon 3 and base area into height, as we required the height, so we will keep my height on the right hand side or onto the left hand side alone. So we are given the volume, so I must replace volume with the given value 180, and as well we have 1 upon 3, and base area we have to find the base area, as I have given the length and breadth as well. So 10 multiplied by 18, I must use the given value 10 multiplied by 8, and as I don't know the height, so I must left h as it is. So this 3 is dividing here, it will be transposed with on the right hand side or onto the left hand side, it will be definitely multiply, and this 10 and 8 multiplying, 10 8s are 80, so it will be divide. Okay, this 0 cancel with this 0, 18 multiplied by 3, so this is 54 divided by 8, this is 6.75. so okay, we have a height of 6.75 centimeter. That's it. So now what is the second? This is the total surface area. Oh my god, this one must be a difficult one, because this is a rectangular base, and for the rectangular base we have a different surface area for both the sides of the triangle. Let me see. If they will ask about the surface area, so we just count the area of this side, this one, from the back side one, and from the left hand side, only in the surface area. But when they are asked about the total surface area, so we must the four faces of this triangle pyramid as well as the base area. So now in this one we are asked to find the total surface area. So first of all, let me find the area of these faces, this one and the back one, this one and this one. Let me clear one thing. As I have already known about the height must be in the center, so this make a 10 centimeter, so this make 5, and for this one it will make 4. For this side we will take 4, for this side we will take 5. What I am saying, let me explain it one more time, that we want the slant height. Until and unless if I don't know the slant height, I am unable to find the area of this triangular face as well as for this triangular face. Means that this surface area, this triangular face, has a total area exactly same as onto the from the left hand side, and this one which is in front of us, PQ, have the same area as SR will have the same. Both are PQ, the triangle VPQ and triangle VSR will have a both surface area have the same surface area. Okay, so first of all I must know the slant height for VQR. If I am talking about the VQR, so we know the height. I am going to make a right angle triangle here to clear very easily. This is V, let me give it a name, VPQRS. This is T, this is N. Okay, V and T. Okay, this is V, this is N, this is T. As we know the height, which is 6.75, we had just find out a moment ago, and NT from here till here is equal to from P to Q 10. So this N to T will gives you half of 10, exactly 5 centimeter, and I must know the slant height of this, so I can find the surface area of this VQR. Okay, so we will use the Pythagoras theorem. C square is equals to 6.75 square plus 5 square. 6.7 square gives you 45.56, and 5 square gives you square of 5 gives you 25. Okay, this is 70.56, and square root of this value, because we have a square on the left hand side, Okay, this is 8.4. This is 8.4. Now I know the slant height 8.4. Just in this pyramid it is the slant height, but if I am talking about the face of V, Q and R, this is not a slant height. This is the actual height of this triangular face. If I am talking about this triangular face, if I make it not tilt, make it straight, so this become VQR and this is the height. And if I am using the formula of right angle triangle, which is 1 upon 2 base into height, so I have 1 upon 2, base is 8 centimeter because QR have a base of 8 centimeter and height is 8.4, what we have just find out a moment ago. This is 8.4. So, and we have two faces of the same values like QR, VQR and VPS, both the side, from this side and from this side, both the faces have the same area. So we will find out 2 times of the same area. So before 2 times, it's better for us to just multiply this area with the 2. So we will have a 2 times of area of the two faces. This 2 cancel with this 2. This multiply by 8. This gives you 67.2 centimeter square. Okay, this is we will call it area 1. We will call it area 1. Now what about the area 2? Okay, now I want to know the slant height from here till here. This is V N and let me give it a name, PQRSTU. Now we want to find the height or slant height of V and U. Let me draw a triangle here. This is V, this is N obviously, and this is U. We are given the height of 6.75 already, we have find out. So now what will be the base? See, when we are finding the VQR, we take 5 centimeter for NT. So now similarly for NU, we will take the half of 8 centimeter. NU will be the half of 8 centimeter is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. Now I want this slant height, so I can find out the surface area of two faces, which is in front and which is on the back of this shape. Okay, we will use the Pythagoras theorem again. Let me keep it aside. C square equals to 6.75 square and square of 4, and if I want to remove the square, I have to put the square root on both sides of the equation. 6.75 square plus 4 square root of the answer, this is 7.84. we have 7.84. same as we did before. If I want to find the area of surface area of the first side, front side, so I must use the triangular formula, area of triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. As we know that we have a two same faces, one is on the front and one is on the back, so I must take 2 times. So this cancel with this. Base is 10 centimeter obviously, this will be the base 10 centimeter, I will use 10. And height is 7.84 because we will not take this height V2N, we will not take this height V2N, we will take the slant height. We will take the slant height because we are finding the surface area of this triangular face only. So this is 7.84 what we have find out a moment ago. So this will be 78.4 obviously, 78.46. this is the area 2. Now we have to find the total surface area. So for the total surface area we have 3 areas, area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. We have the area 1, the area 1 is 67, here we have 67.2 what we have find out before. This is 67.2. this area is of two faces, one is on the right hand side and one is on the left hand side, and this area which is 78.46 is the area which is on the front and which is on the back, and this area which is area number 3 is the base area. 10 into 8 gives you 80 centimeter. So in this manner we will find out the total surface area of the shape 78.46 then plus 80 gives you 830.46 total surface area. Sorry, this is 67.2. I'm so sorry. 67.2 plus 78.46 plus 80. Sorry, my mistake. I have just calculated 672 instead of 667.2. So this is 225.66 centimeter square. If you round off this value, this will become 226 centimeter square, the total area of the value, total surface area. Okay, I hope you got it and enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Allah Hafiz.